everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And well, friends, the markets are always moving and something new is happening all the time. And that is what makes it so exciting. And now especially because so many share prices are moving in the right direction, which is upwards. So it really is a good time to look at markets. But as I said earlier, things are always new. And Shaun, what's coming new for 180 Markets?
We're very excited to announce that our new platform will be launching in approximately 2 weeks. It's got some really cool features and we can't wait to show it to you. Markets are still feeling really good. Gold had a smashing week and just hit new highs. A lot of placements that we're going to take a look at now.
Let's start with everyone's old favorite website, the 180 Markets platform, which will be a new platform in about 2 weeks.
That's right.
Really looking forward to that. Quite a lot of raises. Let's start with EQR. Last raise, they went out to raise 20, they raised 15. So they just thought, what the hell? We'll just do another raise. 22 million, 3.2 lower. Yeah, they just keep raising money. I think they got some decent prospects, but as we know, when you need money, you keep using the market, and yeah, it's not great for the price, but hopefully they get their stuff together. VRL, the boys at Evolution raised money at 2.4, and what we heard was a pretty popular raise. Well done for getting that away. GDM did a convertible note. We didn't look at it too closely, but had some attractive terms. And ARD, the big silver play, they finally went live. We knew that they were planning on hitting the market for a while. Raised $4.8 million.
That's right, Shaun, and we had early access.
Which is great, and well done to investors that got stock there. VRL as well, but what do we have live, Greg? KNI. Now, I know you have followed this one.
Yes, interesting company right now. They're putting a silver project into the company, which will be very interesting, and the silver market has certainly changed, Shaun.
That's right. PolX is raising money at 1.5 cents, going out for $5 million. An interesting copper and gold play there.
Yes.
I think they're in bed with Northern Star. So good luck to me and you and everyone else that's punting on this one. Now, this is one that Greg and I we have mentioned a few times. We took the last raise at 80, 90,
70 or something?
70,
something
whatever, but we were holding for quite a while, through quite a bit of pain. And then we did make money in the end, but it has gone parabolic and raising money at $2.05. We had to close it super early because of the interest we're getting. So yeah, well done to everyone there except for us. Lexinol, not really popular on the side, and PH2. All right, onto the Iris. MQR, Marquee, how good's that? 1.3 cents. We did a raise there. What, about 4 or 5 weeks ago at 1.1?
I don't even think it was that long ago.
It feels like a while because, yeah, everything's been going up. And finally, Marquee has joined the other antimony stocks and announced. Now, we were talking about this before, Greg.
Yes.
What do you prefer, grade or size?
I prefer size, and the reason I say to Shaun is because when you look at the biggest copper players in the world, they all don't necessarily have the greatest grades, but the size is huge.
That's right. So when we talk about grade and size, I've got size in my stomach, but you've got grade all over. So yeah, for me, I'll go for size as well. Yeah, so well done to Charles and the team. It's doing great. Now, this one is running out of nowhere, ANR. This is a failed biotech. So we look at that chart and we often talk about how biotechs can really kill investors. And this one fell from about 6 cents to under a cent on bad results, but bouncing back now, got a very low market cap. So these stocks can move around quite a bit. GLA did a raise at 1.8 cents recently, trading at 3. I've got a feeling when people do watch the wrap, it could be trading lower because placement stock is going to be issued today.
Okay.
Hasn't been issued. I don't know if traders are aware of that. But yeah, will be interesting to see where it goes.
If you see an afternoon sell-off, Shaun, you know why.
Yeah. Now SGQ, this one just keeps going. Look at that. Look at that chart, Greg.
Yeah. Wow.
They actually moved before an announcement, which we know this company does a bit. Not sure why, but they did deliver some high-grade rare earth and niobium at their new project. So well done to the team there. They've gone from strength to strength, and yeah, I wish I was still holding.
Same.
Now, Greg, we often talk about smart investors.
Yeah.
How do you think smart investors were in this one, 40X, and not 40S?
Shaun, I think that it's investors that are understand risk and willing to take those binary outcomes, because clearly 4DX has had a great outcome, and 4DS, well, chart shows it all, Shaun.
Look, if you don't have any information and you privy to all public information, it's very hard to kind of get that feeling about what these binary outcomes are going to be. We weren't holding either, but we know a lot of investors that were holding one or the other, and it just shows how what we're playing in.
Yes.
You can make great money and you can lose it so easily. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, we're finally going to look at MDI. That's going to be the final stock here.
Middle Island.
Take a look at that. That one was a shell company. There's been a new project being put in there, and I've heard the project's pretty good. Some good people joining the board, and that's a shell game.
And clearly the market likes it, Shaun.
I think it does. All right, well, I'm liking the sound of a weekend.
Yes.
What's planned, Greg?
Well, last night was a very good win, Shaun.
It was for your family. Just well done to you and your son. Great to see your footy team doing well. Yeah, but have a great weekend, everyone.